how to withdraw money from Bovada. So you just won big on Bovada and now you're asking, how do I cash out? Don't worry, in the next minutes, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw your money safely and fast. First, log into your Bovada account. On desktop or mobile, head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu, tap Withdraw. Now you'll see several options, usually Bitcoin, MatchPay, or checked by carrier. Bitcoin is the fastest, often processed within an hour. Checks can take up to 10 business days, so pick what works best for you. Enter how much you want to withdraw, confirm your wallet or address, and then click the request withdrawal. The VADA will send a confirmation email. Click the link inside to finalize it. Then sit tight, crypto withdrawals hit fastest, sometimes the same day. So pro tip, always double check your crypto wallet address before sending. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a emoji in the comments if you're ready for your next big one. And that's it.